gosh, look at that.
This is a secret, but you guys can't see it yet. You're gonna have to wait. So hold on a sec, hold on a sec. Oh! It's you guys. That's alright. Since I have you guys here, let me go show you guys my favorite way to cook a burger. Follow me. So, if you're a professional cook, this video is not for you because this recipe could be for all the average Joes out there, like myself. This is something you could throw together in a couple of minutes and a recipe you'll keep for a lifetime. So, all you professional cooks out there, don't judge me. This is for the average Joes. So let's move on. So it's always a good idea to sanitize your hands, clean them. Let's grab the patties. Check that out. 80% lean, 20% fat. Just like someone you know. Alright. Pop that plastic open. Take the burgers out. Throw them in. Just like that. Take your patty. I like using the Grizzly Joes. It's something that I picked up one time when I was at a convention and it was really good. And now I use it for all my burgers. So it's just you could use salt and pepper, but this is what I use. I'm just gonna throw it on there like that. Flip it over. Get a nice little layer over it. You guys ready for the unveiling of the secret sauce? Bon, bon. Lee and Perrins. Worcestershire? Worcestershire. Worcestershire. You get me. Worcestershire sauce. That's just gonna go right on top. And when you pour it on top like this, the meat is gonna start soaking it in. And it's gonna make your burgers taste like steak. I kid you not. Alright, so just gonna rub it all in, flip it over. Pour some more on the other side, just like that. And we have 7 more patties. So we're gonna repeat this 7 more times. This is the point where the video goes fast. We got all of that fallen in love. Let's throw it in the fridge. And then we're gonna prepare our onions. Alright, now that we got the nice yellow onion all peeled, let's cut off these end pieces. And for our burgers, we're gonna want some nice rings. So you're just gonna cut into pieces like this. Now that we got the onions all cut up, we'll just garnish them with some salt and some pepper. The best part of cooking a burger is the sound it makes. Throw them all on. Throw these guys on. You can already see a combination of the fats and the Worcestershire sauce. How do you say it? Worcester sauce. You can see a combination of the Worcester and the fats starting to come out of the burgers. Good to go. If you guys are still watching, this is the part you've been waiting for. Take your bun, grab your burger, take this one. By the way, get a close up on this. Look how juicy that burger looks. Oh man, it's super hot. Grab one of those stacks of onions that we cooked. Throw it right on like that. A little bit of ketchup. A little bit of mustard. Grab some lettuce. Let's try it out. What were we doing? Oh yeah, speechless. So please, if you like this video, if you tried this and you like the recipe, smash the subscribe button, share this with your best friend. You want them to enjoy this too. And of course, you gotta hit the like button if you liked it. So that's it for today. Just a quick little video on my favorite burger recipe. And I'll see you in the next one. So peace. What was that?
You farted.
I'm not putting that on the video.
You're putting that on the video.
No, I'm not.